Where's that big arch thing they had going on? Uh-oh, Gibbs.
Are you buying me? I don't get what you have.
Okay. You like it? Yeah, I like it. Yeah, and the wind, you'll have this, the wind won't blow.
Yeah, I'll put one next to one, and the other is the big one down right here. So I've been putting a cap like that in the hat.
That would suit you.
That would be good.
Yes, it is.
I didn't say heifer. There we go.
Mommy, but I'm so good playing this.
Don't think about it.
Bye-bye, Wally. Drive safe. Any text?
I saw it. Should I get this one as a snowboard? Put it like there. Instead of this.
Is it not better though? I'm gonna get that for myself. Why do you need 3 of these?
I only need one. That one is solid copper. Wait, can I get that one too? Just need $1 more. Because they look different. Where am I supposed to go?
Shit.
I'll go to the other.
Wait, no, don't get it for me. Oh, wow.
You know why they're not taking the bills? Thank you. This one. Hoover Dam.
died here. This is the visitor centre, one to the left. And as we come up here, the hill here, you get a good view of the new bypass tunnel, route rather. And it was interesting to watch them building those high skaters, the monument to the right there, the high skaters. The high skaters, they were operating when they were building the bridge. During the early part of it, they were doing much of the preparation work as they did when they were doing the dam. And they were swinging about 3 or 4 months. You seem to watch them performing or working. And I was talking to someone not too long ago about the specifications for the concrete mix, and they're very stringent because they're all done with computerization these days, but they had pretty strict specifications for the Hoover Dam too. That was done controlled by them together, obviously. As we come up the hill.